Hi everyone, I have two new scenarios on the lower time frame, and in this video I'm going to show you both. So let's start. If this is a WXYXZ on the medium time frame and this blue X is already in, thanks to this WXY, a nice three-wave structure, we can be looking for a potential three-wave to the downside to eventually finish wave Z. So if we have to look for a three-wave structure, this potential leading diagonal might be the first wave of the three waves in wave Z. Now, as you can see, the leading diagonal, you can see the trend lines over here, is a five-wave structure. Now, if the high of X is over here, we have three waves in the one, three waves in the two, which you can count on the lower time frame, like 3 or 5 minutes. Then another three-wave ABC in this third wave. And what is important to mention is that the invalidation of this, basically this scenario, but also wave 3, is when we are going to cross this red line, because wave 3 in a leading diagonal is not allowed to be longer than wave 1. Wave 1 should be longer than 3, and wave 3 should be longer than wave 5. So that's why this line is red. The other green lines over here are potential targets for the end of this wave 3. So then we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For wave 4, the same applies. These green lines are the most common targets. These are the fibs taken from the high of 2 to the potential low that we have at 3 over here. The yellow lines over here, the basically golden pocket, or the yellow lines, this is the more rare target for wave 4, and the gray line above is a very rare target for potential wave 4 in a leading diagonal. And then eventually we could go down for wave 5. Now, what I would personally like more is that if price is not going to touch the daily right now, but instead move to the upside and then move down for 5 later to touch the daily, maybe grab a couple of lows over here as well. And we have the value area low of this range here as well. So some nice confluence in this area to then finish this leading diagonal being a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, after this leading diagonal is in, one can expect a correction. And as you can see, the invalidation will be at 24K. If this is a 5-wave structure, we expect some sort of a 3-wave correction. Before then, again, another 5-wave structure to the downside to eventually maybe even finish wave Z down there. So this is the first scenario. The second scenario that I want to show you is a potential triangle. So in a WXYXZ on the medium time frame over here, if this is a nice wave Z, then a triangle is a possibility, because a triangle can appear in a wave Z, and that's why I have this on my chart right now. Now, for a triangle, the waves tend to be in the internal wave. So in this wave A, it tends to be a 1-to-1 trend-based fib extension target. So basically this is A, this is B, this is then C, ending around the 1-to-1. Then we have another 3-wave, another 3-wave, another 3-wave, and another 3-wave, which would then be an A, B, C, D, E. This is the more bullish scenario, because in this case we would not be taking the low, so also therefore the invalidation is very likely to be these lows over here. So in that case we have a nice A, B, C, D, E, and after E one can expect movement to the upside once again. If you want to know my medium time frame counts in more detail, as well as my high time frame counts, check for the medium time frame counts, the bottom left video, and for the more high time frame counts, check the left upper video. For now, I'd like to thank you for watching to this video, and I hope you have a great day. Bye bye.